Okay, so we're going over why and how we make amazing bibliographies by citing a book. There are many different kinds of bibliography. So there is a type of bibliography for everything that you might research. There's one for magazines, there's one for poetry, there's one for an internet article, there's one for an internet website. So whatever it is you use, you have to Google the correct way to do it. However, for this project, we're only asking you to use the textbook. So you only need to know one way to write a bibliography. In high school, you will be expected to make use of this. So why do we need a bibliography? Number one, because we need to give credit when we take ideas from books, internet, videos, magazines, or other sources. Number two, because if these were your ideas, you would want credit for them. Number three, because if you don't give credit, you can lose a high school credit, be expelled, or have to repeat a class. And number four, because if you do this in university, you'll flunk out and they keep the money. So number one, you're going to start with the author's name. It should be written as follows. So last name, comma, first name. You've got to remember your punctuation in bibliography. So there is a comma after the last name, and there is a period after the first name. You'll notice also we've got capitals because we've got a proper noun here, and we need to make use of that. So just for fun, clause, comma, Santa, period. Okay, so this is how I would begin my bibliography of a book that was written by Santa. Then you write the name of the book, and then you add a period. So clause, comma, Santa, period, and then the title of the book, The Reason I Quit, period. You'll notice that the title is in italics. So that is a setting at the top of your screen when you're in Microsoft Word. You're going to make sure that you, or when you're in Google Docs, sorry, you're going to make sure that you have that title in those italics. Number three, then you add the city the book was published in, and then you add a colon. So I've got North Pole here, and then my colon, two little dots. To review that, feel free to go on to Reading. Number four, you add the name of the publisher. So this is the publishing house or company that has printed this book. So and then you add a comma. So we've got the Elvish Publishing House and a comma. Now you're going to add the date of publication. Now, so in the front of the textbook, there may be many reprints. This is what happens when books are printed. So for example, I was reading The Wizard of Oz to Kate the other day. It was originally printed in the 1900s. That's the date I would use if I was putting here. Now, it has been reprinted many times, and the current copy I think I've got is 2012 was the one she has. But the original version was printed in 1902. So that's the date you have there. Then you have the page you found the information on, and then you add a period. So we've got the comma from after the 2001, and then page, and actually there should be a period here, guys, and then page 6, period. And that's it. All of this information can be found in the front of your textbook. That's where you're going to look to create this bibliography.